Hey, what's up guys? In this video we're going to talk about classes in JavaScript. In JavaScript, classes are basically a blueprint for creating objects. The classes encapsulates both the data and the methods. So let's just see how we can create one class. So first of all, we have this class keyword and then the name of the class, and then inside the class first of all we have this constructor. So the constructor is used to initialize the properties of one class. The constructor can take parameters like the name and the age of that person, and then we can initialize the name of that person with the name and age of that person with that age. And now to create one instance of that person class, so we have to write const p1. So p1 is the object, and then we have to write new person, and here inside we have to pass the name and the age. So whenever we create one new instance of that person by using the new keyword, it automatically calls this constructor function and it passes these two parameters, the name and age, and they will be used to initialize the properties of that person class. And apart from these properties of the class, we can have methods. Like in example, we can have the getName method, and then we can just simply console log the name of that person object. And now we can use that object to call this method. So we can write p1.getName, and you can see we have this name of that person. So previously we used to have the constructor function and the prototypes to create one object, but with the new ES6 class keyword it has become a lot more easier to create one class. And also the class provides one cleaner and more intuitive way to create objects in JavaScript. So here you can see we have created this class person, but in JavaScript classes are a special type of function. So if we console log type of the class person, so you can see we are getting the output as a function. So this class person is nothing but a special type of function in JavaScript. And also there are some differences between the class and the constructor function. So in JavaScript, classes are not wasted. That means if we try to create one instance before the class has been declared, so in that case we are gonna get this error. So here we are trying to create one new instance of the person class before the class definition, so that's why we are getting this error. And also the classes in JavaScript execute in strict mode by default, and also whenever we create one new instance of that class we must use the new keyword. So if we forget to use the new keyword, it will throw error. So here you can see we are getting this error. So this is the way we can use this new ES6 class keyword, which provides a more cleaner and intuitive way to create classes in JavaScript. So hope you understand the concept. We'll see you in the next one. Take care.